It's me again, and I'm gonna this tutorial. I'm gonna make a bread with filled chocolate Milo. Okay, this is my materials. My red spoon, plastic spoon. My chocolate, it's Milo or everything flavor you like. Your flavor. It's like ice. It's seeming like sticky. Sticky. And my finished products. There. Oh. My shapes. It's a plastic shape. Okay, let's start. First we do a circle shapes of a bread. Anything you like shapes, like triangle or Christmas tree, like whatever. I'm gonna make two of them. Okay, it's simple to draw. I gotta draw it chocolate. First, you gotta taste the chocolate if it's correct. It's good. And I'm gonna do some. I'm gonna put a Milo chocolate sticky. Gotta put now. Ikutan ko yan eh. Oh, so yummy. Okay, and ready. Here's a finished product. Yeah. I'm gonna taste this. Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my tutorial.